Hey guys, Scott from Performance with the Yamaha YXZ Gen 3 differential. We're going to talk a little bit about sintered gears versus forged gears, and maybe we'll talk about Chinese gears. But if we just bring the camera and have a look at this, is a genuine Yamaha differential. They're not a badly made product. Unfortunately, they're not made of a forged steel. They're pressed out of powder. They press them in a little mold, they put them in an oven, and then they come out of the mold pretty much like that. It's pretty amazing, the process where you can make a gear, a shaft, etc. If you Google sintered metal, you can see they can dye a gear or a shaft or a circlip or anything. It's quite amazing. Unfortunately, the material is not very strong. If you look at an original spline stub shaft or an original pinion or something like this, they're all forged into shape, and then they're machined very easily in a lathe so that the forging is much, much stronger. So all the Gen 3 diffs, we always use a forged ring gear, whether it be from Dana or something similar. Forged gears are much stronger than sintered powdered metal gears.